Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Notion. Embedding turns a plain web address into live, interactive content right inside your page so you can watch videos, view designs, or interact with maps without leaving Notion. First, let's use the quickest method, paste and embed. Copy the URL you want to display. This could be a video, a design file, a form, a map, or almost any public page that allows embedding. Open your Notion page and paste the URL directly where you want it. Notion will pop up a small menu with options. Choose Create Embed. In a moment, Notion will load an interactive block right on the page. If the site supports it, you'll see a playable video, a scrollable frame, or an interactive preview. If you only see a regular link or bookmark, that usually means the website doesn't allow embedding. You can still keep it as a link, or try a different source that supports embeds. A quick tip: once the embed appears, you can drag the block to reposition it or drag the sides to resize it. If your page uses full width, the embed has more room to breathe. Now, let's look at the /command method, which is great if you prefer keyboard-driven workflows or want to set the block first. On a new line, type /embed and select embed. A prompt appears asking for a URL. Paste the same link into the box and confirm. Notion creates the same interactive block. Just as before, functionally, both methods produce identical results. Use whichever feels faster in the moment. A few quick pointers to keep things smooth. Make sure your link uses a secure, accessible URL. Some services may require that you are signed in on the web for the embed to display properly. If an embed doesn't load, refresh the page or try again. Later it may be a temporary issue with the source site. And remember, you can always keep the link as a standard bookmark if embedding isn't available. That's all there is to it. Paste and select, create embed, or use the /embed command and paste the URL. With these two approaches, you can bring rich, live content into your notes, docs, and dashboards in seconds. If you are collaborating, remember that teammates with access to the page will see the same embed, and any changes on the source site reflect automatically. Consider giving the block a clear title or caption so people know what they're looking at. Thanks for watching.